We're back on the halftime report. Twitter shares have taken off over the past month. They're up nearly 15%. Options traders think there's more room to run. Pete Najarian joining us now from Minneapolis with unusual activity. Hey, Pete.
Hey, how are you, Scott? And as a matter of fact, the theme continues when I talk about how everything seems to be so short term. How about this? These guys today, the buying that we're seeing in Twitter is actually happening February 1st expiring. So that's the end of the week. And they are buying the 33.5 calls with the stock trading around 32.5. So they bought these about 3,500 when I started. I'm not sure what number they're up to now, but the buying started. And you talked about it. You already talked about the nice reaction we've seen out of Twitter. Well, it looks like somebody wants to see this continue to go to the upside, and maybe they will. They were only trading for about 40 cents. So very interesting, great opportunity. I like when I see this risk reward wise, this is very short term. So people do have to realize this move has to happen very short term, just this week. I got one more for you as well, Scott. I've got Yum China. So YUMC, Yum China. Now this one's pretty interesting as well because this has been all over the map, but it's actually had a little bit of a lift of late and pushing towards the upside. And we're seeing some very aggressive buying. They're going all the way out to March. And I'm being kidding around about that, but just buying out to March, and they're buying the 37.5 strike calls in March here in this name as well. So we're seeing some buying there. We're seeing some buying Twitter. Is everything negative in this world right now? I don't think so. But obviously, I heard a lot of negativity coming in today, and I know the network's been talking about it. We've seen a lot of push to the downside, but we're seeing a couple of positive plays here. So I like what we're seeing here. One out in China, and one, obviously, Twitter here, especially when you know how many people are going to be involved in the political landscape over the next year and a half or so. I think ad dollars are definitely going to be going everywhere, and maybe that's part of this trade as well.
Give me a quick thought, Pete, from somebody, frankly, who has gotten more negative lately. You have. Your positioning would show that. Caterpillar and NVIDIA, what do you take away from it?
Yeah. I'm a little bit. I listened to you guys as I was driving over here, and I agree with Jim. I think this is a gift for Caterpillar, but you know, time will tell. I like actually. You know, they only have 10% exposure to China, but obviously there's a ripple effect there. I like that name. I'm a little bit surprised by NVIDIA. I heard Steve talking about that one, and the fact that they've had quarter after quarter now where they've had some issues. That is a little bit disturbing. But I think when you look at NVIDIA now on this push to the downside, it might have been or may have created an opportunity. I'll tell you, by the end of the day, I'll be on with you guys on Wednesday when I get back out there. But between now and then, if I buy NVIDIA, I'll definitely let you know.